What are LLM applications? What are LLM apps? And what are they being used for? If you go to our website, you will see a number of real cases of LLM applications. So if you go to use cases, you will see 9 examples of the 100 real examples that are included in our book, 100 AI Startups. And pay attention, because these 100 companies are companies that have raised at least $500,000 before their first year of operations. So there you will see, and if you click here, you will see more details about each of these examples, cases like LLM applications that are being used for handle the bank paperwork, get new leads, tutor your children, multiply the productivity of the customer support department, saving 60% of the work of the auditor, working in your finance department, working as your new doctor, working to find opportunities to contract with the government, or taking over end-to-end testing for software applications. So you will see in the book, 100 AI Startups, a lot of examples like that with a lot of detail. Here you have the table of contents where you can see the different areas and industries where you are going to see real examples of companies. You don't see the name of the company here, but in the book, you will see all the details of the company, the activity, the problem they solve, the solution they provide, etc. Right? So what are LLM applications? They are applications on top of what we call foundation LLMs. So just think of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the foundation LLMs. We have many of them, but this is the most famous. So LLM applications are applications that are built on top of the foundation LLMs. And they can be web applications, mobile applications, or any other kind of applications. So you can use the analogy of the engine. So the foundation LLM is like an engine, like combustion engine or whatever, any kind of engine you want to think of. So the LLM, the foundation LLM, ChatGPT, is like an engine. And the LLM applications are all the vehicles and machines that we use, that use the engine to do things. For example, the car has an engine, the truck has an engine, the boat has an engine, the industrial machinery has an engine. It may be more or less the same engine, but they are different kind of vehicles and different kind of machines. So it's the same with LLM applications. They are using foundation LLMs as the foundation of the application, and then they build many other components on top of that. Okay, so today LLM applications are already being used in many industries and for many different functions. But in 5 years, where will we use LLM applications? What is going to happen with them? So we can only make a guess as of today. But you have very prominent people like one of the founders of OpenAI making this kind of guesses, predictions. And what Sam Altman is saying is that in 5 years, we are going to see happening with LLM applications the same thing we saw before with mobile and with internet applications. So if you think of internet 30 years ago, when it arrived, for everybody, no company had a website, online shop, online advertising, etc., etc. But in less than 5 years, almost everybody in the business field, the education field, and everybody in regular life has a web strategy or internet strategy. And every company has a website, every company or almost every company is selling online, and almost every company is advertising online, etc., etc., etc. Same thing with mobile. Almost every company has a mobile strategy, has a mobile application, has a mobile advertising in place, etc., etc. The same thing is going to happen with LLM applications. So in 5 years, the most probable scenario is that we are going to see LLM applications everywhere, in every company, in every role, in every function, and in every situation of our daily life. So imagine the level of opportunities this is going to open